Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Devanshi Modgill. I am Devanshi and I am a third year law student. And आज की वीडियो में we are going to talk about a very relatable topic which is hard truths about studying law, which every law student can deeply relate and feel because these are such things जिनके ऊपर कोई भी इंसान बात ही नहीं करता. I wish someone would have told me these things before taking law, not to scare me but to prepare me. Because law padna is not like what most people usually see. It's just not about wearing a black coat, giving fancy legal arguments, or quoting those Latin phrases. There are some hard truths about studying law that every law student discovers the hard way. And today I am going to talk about them with honesty. इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना इसलिए important है because people usually feel that law पढ़ना तो कितना ज़्यादा glamorous है, कितना ज़्यादा fancy है, and it is so cool. But deep down, there are a lot of things that we law students deeply feel जो बाहर के लोग नहीं समझ पाते हैं. So this video is going to be a relatable pro max kind of a video, and you are going to relate with each and everything that I'm going to say. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Law is mentally exhausting, not just difficult. लोगों को लगता है that law is hard. Studying law is hard. But I think that hard is actually the wrong word. It is mentally exhausting. आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली रीड करना होता है, एनालाइज करना होता है, क्वेश्चन करना होता है, इंटरप्रेट करना होता है. इट्स जस्ट नॉट लाइक casual reading. It is a lot. So our brain has to just not constantly memorize, but it has to constantly process. आप किसी केस फाइल का एग्जाम्पल ले लो. अगर आपको कोई भी केस की फाइल पढ़नी है, it will take you hours to study if you are doing it for the very first time. And even after studying it for hours, at times you will realize कि आपको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया or you've skipped certain important points. And you know what? That is the most frustrating part. So अगर आपने इंटर्नशिप में कभी भी ऐसा फील करा है कि आप कोई भी केस फाइल पढ़ रहे हो एंड आपको वो चीज़ समझ में नहीं आ रही है, रिलैक्स, यू आर नॉट अलोन. देयर आर टाइम्स कि आपको नहीं समझ में आती है, 1 2 3 रीडिंग्स देनी पड़ती है. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम रीडिंग स्पीड बढ़ जाती है. द रीडिंग नेवर एंड्स. एंड इसके ऊपर आई 1000% एग्री बिकॉज नो मैटर हाउ मच यू स्टडी देयर विल बी ऑलवेज समथिंग और द अदर जिनके बारे में आपको नहीं पता होगा, उन सेक्शंस के बारे में, उन लॉ पॉइंट्स के बारे में. बिकॉज लॉ इज जस्ट नॉट अ थिंग जो आप कंप्लीटली मेमोराइज कर दो, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी 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 वास्ट सब्जेक्ट एंड इट इज नॉट समथिंग जो एक बुक 2 बुक या कुछ 10 15 किताबों में खत्म हो जाए. There are a lot of laws, and law is just not about memorization. It is about understanding. If you are a person who hates to read, you cannot survive in law. Law के अंदर तो इतना ज़्यादा read करना पड़ता है, and it is just not about law school. Even in the practice, or even if you're going for any other profession, reading is never going to leave you. Read तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा no matter what. And I think that is why our professors constantly suggest us कि आप aware रहो about what is happening in your surroundings, and newspaper पढ़ो and reading habit develop करो. Because for law students, having a reading habit is very 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 important. In law, reading is kind of a survival mechanism. We have to constantly go through bare acts, judgments, commentaries, rules and regulations, and whatnot. There's one point that I've written in my script, which is memorization alone will destroy you. And this is so relatable. I can tell you about this. Because बहुत सारे ना लोगों को ना जब initially वो अपने first year आते हैं ना law school के अंदर, उन्हें लगता है that law is just about, you know, memorizing bare acts and sections ताकि आप किसी से भी normally casually बात करो. So you can just be like, you know, section 125 CRPC is for maintenance, and so that you can act cool in front of them. But trust me, in profession, memorization alone will never help you. It is a part of the process. You have to memorize sections and the articles, whatever it is. You have to understand also at the same time. Memorization is a part of the process. आपको memorize करना है, and at the same time you have to understand also. For example, अगर कोई भी section है, you have to memorize the section or the article. But उसको समझना, उसकी interpretation करना, that's the real job, that's the real work. So memorization alone will never help. Never. Sections की interpretation and उनकी application वो सिर्फ understanding से ही समझ में आती है. Time pressure becomes your lifestyle, and that is again very 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 true. Law school में पढ़ रहे हो, it is not possible that you haven't faced timelines, deadlines, rush of time, stress, anxiety. It is very common. It will happen no matter what. Because in law school, deadlines are everywhere, be it in assignments, internships, moot court, competitions, and whatnot. So there is this constant feeling of pressure and of running behind and of feeling that you're not doing good enough. And this is so true. And almost I think every law student feels this because मेरी जब भी अपने दोस्तों से बात होती है, they're like यार हम LinkedIn check करते हैं and we feel like we're doing nothing. Imposter syndrome is like everywhere. Everyone pretends to know what they're doing, to feel like they've figured it out, but they haven't actually. And everyone is just figuring what to do and what not to do. So pressure में रहना becomes like a lifestyle. In the first year, it often feels very overwhelming, but with the passage of time, ये pressure के साथ रहने की आदत पड़ जाती है. तो अगर आप first year में and you feel very overwhelmed or very pressurized and you feel like I can't do this, relax. It is a phase that every law student has to go through, and it happens. Self-doubt hits harder than you think. And trust me, it happens. You start doubting your own self, and it is very, very, very common. And इसके साथ bad grades, confusing subjects, and tough professors, they all add up. And almost हर एक इंसान battles with imposter syndrome. So a lot of students feel this, but there are only a very, very, very few people that actually talk about this. So I personally believe that हमें openly इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करनी चाहिए rather than just pretending that we are fine, we are okay, and we know how it works, we know we'll figure it out and we'll make it big. If you're feeling stressed, you're feeling anxious, you should talk about it with your friends, with your mentors, or with your professors, or with any close person that you feel comfortable with. And हमें ये सब चीज़ों का स्ट्रेस अपने अंदर नहीं रखना चाहिए. We should openly talk about this. बिकॉज हम सारी की सारी चीज़ें ना अपने अंदर ही अंदर रखने की कोशिश करते हैं एंड इट ऑल एड्स अप एंड it becomes so overwhelming at times that you feel like crying. And it can happen. And it is okay, it is normal. Success in law school is just not about good marks. अगर आप अपने law school के first year pass कर चुके हो and you're in second third year, you must be agreeing on this कि law school के अंदर good marks are not a certificate of you being a successful person in your legal career ahead. Because marks is just on paper. Real life में आपकी skills, आपकी adaptability and your professional ethics, these all things add up. Just having some legal knowledge is not the only thing that is required to be successful in the real world. Your skills, internship, networking, practical exposure, and your communication, all these things matter, and they matter a lot. Legal profession isn't glamorous. Let's be honest. Law looks very, very, very glamorous from the outside. अगर आप वेब सीरीज देखो, shows देखो, movies देखो, law बहुत ज़्यादा glamorous and बहुत ज़्यादा cool लगता है. When you say that you are a law student, you will become lawyer, you will give arguments, you have gone to Supreme Court and you were doing internships. All these things sound very cool. But you know what? The reality is really, really very different. वो जो arguments लोग कोर्ट में देखते हैं, we know how long it takes to prepare those arguments. There's intense preparation. There are those sleepless nights where you are searching for authorities to cite before the judge. There is this constant pressure. And also in litigation, we all know how slow is the progress. Especially when we talk about litigation, patience is just not an option. It is mandatory. If you want to especially go in litigation, trust me, patience is something that you must need to have no matter what. Legal knowledge, practical exposure, communication skills, all are one thing, but patience is another thing. अगर आप में patience नहीं है, litigation cannot happen for you. Last but not the least, I am going to talk about burnout in law school. This is something that we guys need to openly talk about. Burnout. I don't understand why do people do not talk about this thing, because burnout in law school is not rare, it is extremely, extremely common. There is pressure to constantly perform, stay productive, build your CV, get these good internships. Trust me, we all are just in the process of, building our CVs or doing something or the other, but we hardly take any break. जब हम स्कूल में होते थे, we used to get these winter breaks or those summer breaks. अब जब हम यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर आ जाते हैं, जो ये हमारी ब्रेक्स होती हैं, इस टाइम पर हमें इंटर्नशिप्स करनी होती है सो दैट वी कैन बिल्ड आवर सीवी. बीच में अगर हमें हमारे सेमेस्टर के वी आर गेटिंग सम होली ब्रेक, सम दिवाली ब्रेक, वी डू ट्राई कि हम अपना सिलेबस कवर कर लें या हम इस दौरान कोर्ट में जाएं टू गेट सम प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर और टू लर्न समथिंग और द अदर. सो लॉ स्कूल में आने के बाद एवरीथिंग बिकम्स हेल सीरियस. देयर इज नथिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट. जैसे जैसे आप अपने लॉ स्कूल के ईयर्स के अंदर आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं, यू बिकम मोर एंड मोर सीनियर, आपका जो स्ट्रेस लेवल होता है, एंजाइटी एंड द प्रेशर, इट ऑल इंक्रीजेस एंड वो इंक्रीज ही होता जाता है. इट डजंट गो डाउन. लोगों को बाहर लगता है that doing law is easy, 5 years and it is so interesting, 5 साल की law school life and you will have so much fun. But they don't realize these are the things that we have to do. We have to go through all these things and इनके बारे में कोई नहीं बोलता. So if someone tells you that law school is easy, please do not listen to them. They are stupid people. Law school is very hard. So law school is not at all easy. It is hard, but you'll get through it with the passage of time. Not because it gets easier, but because you get stronger, you get adaptable to law school life, and you'll get through it. So, in the end, I would like to conclude this video by saying that law is not a bad choice, but a more demanding one. So, if you're struggling, feeling overwhelmed, doubting yourself, you are not alone. You are not incapable because law school challenges everyone. If you're in your law school journey, keep on going. It is difficult, but you will make it easy for yourself. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys must have related to this video because it was something that I feel like should be things that need to be talked about. मैंने अपनी script बनाई थी to write down all the points, and it took me some time to feel and to bring down what all I feel and what all I've seen my friends feel on the paper. I hope you guys must have liked this video and you would have related to it. अगर आपको ये वीडियो आज की पसंद आई है then please do give this video a like button, comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more such upcoming videos. Also, do let me know any more topics on which you want me to make videos about. I would be glad to make videos on it. Also, do check out these videos of my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye, take care, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.